Hi guys, and welcome back to another how to style video. Today we're going to be styling one of my most worn items in my closet lately, and that is going to be cargo pants. I used to wear these all the time, about like 8 to 10 years ago I would say, and it is just, I just love that it brings such a boyish element, super casual, but you can definitely dress it up depending on what you pair with it. So I went into my closet, kind of just went and looked for any tops that I think would work well with these three specific cargo pants. So I have this olive green colorway, and then I have two more neutral ones. We have this cool tone grayish color that we'll be pairing some tops with, as well as with this blushy mauve cargo pants. So I am super excited to pair these with all these different things that we have here. We have sneakers, heels, bags, all the good accessories. So if you would like to see the items that we come up with, well then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. But before you continue, please make sure to like the video and to subscribe to my channel for more fashion and beauty content. Now, let's jump right on in. I'll show you guys the clothing item and then I'll insert a clip with the full-on outfit. You already know I love to see the outfit in motion and in action, so I will be sure to put that in. So we'll actually just go based on each color. So I have these, all three cargo pants are from Shein. They have quite an array on there, and I just like to buy more affordable options of different like trendy items just to see if I will use them, and if I do, then that's when I like to invest more. So cargo pants are definitely something that I will be investing in because I wear them all the time. And obviously when you buy things that are a bit on the cheaper end, the material and the quality isn't as good. But this is the first one that we are going to be pairing with, and this color I thought would look so beautiful with this cardigan. So the first top that I want to be able to pair is just a cardigan top with these khaki pants. And so you can dress this up if you want to by putting some heels on, but I think for this look I want to keep it, do I want to put some heels? We can try putting heels on, so we can put some white heels on with that, or even just some sneakers. So this is the first option of how you are able to style that one. Alrighty, so this is outfit number one. So we are pairing it with the neutral cardigan, also have this really cute super neutral bag that just kind of goes with the vibe. Paired it up with these Reebok sneakers, and then just to add a little bit of a trendy accessory, I just have these sunnies on, which I think like honestly just like Kim Kardashian and like everybody has kind of made just super trendy. They give me very sporty vibes, but I think pairing them with cargos is a super fun way to do it. So this is the first outfit and how I would style these cargos. Next up, with this same colorway, I thought this beautiful like contrast of color, given that green and orange are like complementary colors to each other, would look so cool. So just kind of bringing a pop of color in with the cargo pants. Once again, you can always pair them with some sneakers or some sandals. I think with this one I'd probably pair them with white sneakers, like some cool sunnies, and a nice handbag just to be able to keep the center on this top. This is a cropped top, and these I think can go a bit high-waisted, so I thought this color combo would be fantastic. So I'll definitely be sure to insert this outfit or the vision that I have for this. Alrighty, the next top that we have is this orange crop, and this one is a super cropped one, so I would typically probably not wear it just out like that. So I have paired it with this blazer on top. Since these are a little bit high-waisted, but they are also just a little baggy, so they kind of tend to fall a little bit. You have a lot of stomach area out, so if you like that, then you don't need the blazer. I would prefer to just kind of have something over. So sticking with the same neutral bag to just, you know, not take away from the color of the pants. And then I've opted for some heels. These are just super clear, so that once again it doesn't distract from anything else. Hair up, you can always just, you know, put some sunnies on, but this is how I would style it with a super cropped and even a blazer look. And so another top that I thought would pair really nice with this is a print, any sort of print. And so I found this one that I have, which is such a gorgeous top. It has an open back. A zebra print would look super cute with this. You can definitely like pair some black heels with this and it'll just look so nice and elevated. So this is the third option that I have for these pants. The final look we have with these khaki green pants is going to be the printed top. And like I said, this one is such a gorgeous top because, you know, from the front it's like, oh, it's cute, but like nothing special or anything like that. But then the back is just absolutely stunning. These tops are usually a bit confusing because it's like warm, so you would wear it in colder weather, but then the whole back is out, so it's like, am I really gonna do that? But I thought this was such a cute way to just kind of dress up the cargo pants. I paired it with these plain black pumps, and then just to add or throw in another color, I've just paired this chocolate brown bag with it. Hair back in a sleek bun, and this would be how I would style these pants. Now moving on to the lighter pair, I have quite a few more tops that I think will work so nicely with them. So similar to those other ones, very nice and kind of just like on the looser end. I like that about cargo pants. Most of them come to be high-waisted, so it just looks so nice and it's usually super flattering. So with this one, I wanted to also continue on with that pop of color look, and I have two blue tops because I love how blue pairs with this one. The first option that we have here is a sweatshirt, which is also such a simple and easy casual way to be able to wear your cargo pants. Super easy, super comfy. You can pair them with a pair of sneakers or boots for a more casual look, and if you want to dress them up, obviously always just pair some heels with them. Accessorize a really nice bag that can have some like golds or something on it to just be able to elevate the look. I think will look stunning. Transitioning over into the second pair of cargo pants, we have the more cool tone. They're a little higher, so they're not as long. So here I'm just gonna wear it in a super casual and very realistic way, especially on colder weather like today that it's super gloomy and like rainy and wet out. A sweatshirt is the way to go. So I paired it with these Reebok sneakers that I have that have this like super fun pattern, since both of these are pretty just like basic and solid colors. I paired it with this shoulder bag that I have from Coach, and then once again just another pair of those sporty sunnies to just, you know, accessorize, bring in some of those trendy elements into a basic casual outfit. So this is definitely a way that I would realistically style my cargo pants, and it's so easy, super comfortable. Another clothing option that I have too, which is also still on the blue end, is this gorgeous top that I actually got from Nasty Gal, and it's a similar nice blue color, but it has that very feminine and chic cardigan look to it, but it is more on the thinner end, and it has this really pretty opening. Like, I just thought this would be so stunning with this color. And honestly, when I was looking for outfit combinations, I was just looking at what colors work together, and I think that's a great trick to be able to do when looking for outfits. If you don't know what to do, go with colors that work together, and then from there you can go and see what fits work together and things like that. But when in doubt, always look for colors that work together. So next up we have this other blue top, which is so stunning. This is the Nasty Gal one that I mentioned earlier. So once again, just pairing it with the cargo pants. I've opted for these really beautiful, strappy, chunky chocolate heels. I think they look really cute. I'm a sucker for strapper heels. Honestly, that might be another video idea of just sharing like my favorite types of heels, an updated heel one, because I have so many heels that I need to use, but strappy ones and just like square-toed and even pointy toes are usually always my go-tos. But anyways, back to the outfit. I've opted for my Coach bag once again, and this is just such a cute outfit for a date night, a girls' night, or honestly just any type of outing that you just want to like look a little elevated, but you still want something a little casual. So this is how I would style it with this top. And once again, the colors work so well together. So like I mentioned earlier, it's all honestly about the color combination. If you can master that, you can pretty much master putting any outfit together. Another thing that I have on here is a jacket. That's another thing that you can pair easily with your cardigan. So here we have this black cropped one that I have from H&M, and I've had this one for a little while and I hadn't worn it because honestly I was just like, I don't really know how to wear this. Like I wouldn't want to wear this with something underneath, or do I? Like I just didn't know, but I thought this would pair so cute together, as well as with some sneakers. I just thought this would be really nice. So I'm excited to see how that outfit comes together. The next outfit idea that we have styling these cargos is going to be with that cropped jacket that I mentioned to you guys earlier. I love that it's cropped, so it works so well with anything that is high rise. So these cargos definitely go up just below the belly button. So super casual, pairing it with my white New Balance sneakers, which by the way are so comfortable and I absolutely love it. And just to throw in another color, I have paired my brown bag with it, hair down, just to give it a more femme look. You can put some big hoops, you can put some sunnies, pretty much anything and everything, but I thought a cropped jacket would work so nicely with these pants. Next up, we have this really fun retro top that we can pair with some cargo pants. So like I said, once again, it's just always checking to see which colors kind of work together and going from there. So I absolutely love this. I actually picked this up in Kohl's, which I haven't been in so long, but Kohl's now has like Amazon in it, so you can return items in it. So I was returning some Amazon items in Kohl's and kind of just browsing, and I saw these and I thought the colors were so beautiful, so I picked it up and I thought that would be a pretty good combo. So excited to see how that pairs. Have the retro top, which I love so much, and it is so cozy. It literally feels like a blanket, and I am here for that. So I paired it with the cargo pants, same ones that I have mentioned earlier. Here we just put some strappy white heels, which are super duper cute. Absolutely love them. And then just pairing that chocolate purse. And also I figured why not just throw in some sunglasses that also have that like yellow tint to them, which I got on Amazon and I thought were super cute. They just make the world look yellow, which I'm here for. So this is how I would style these cargo pants. And then the last top that I have for these cargo pants is going to be this super relaxed button down that I actually picked up from Target, and it is less form-fitting. It's more on like the wider side, the baggier side, but I thought this would look so cute with like your baggy cargo pants, some really good sunnies, probably the hair up in a claw clip, and maybe like a bold lip color would just make this look like the perfect combination of like masculine but like sexy and chic. So I really am intrigued to see how this one will come out, if the vision in my head will come out in pairing this. So we'll see the outfits that we end up putting them together. I just want to give you guys a rundown of like the thought process and how I pick items out to be able to style. Alrighty, so this is the last outfit, and this is going to be styling this oversized button shirt with the cargo pants. So since we're on a more like loose fit, I wanted to just kind of dress it up a little bit, so I am pairing it with these white mules and then just bringing in some color with this really pretty bag that I actually picked up from Target, and I am obsessed with the color. I think it works really well with this. Hair down as always to just, you know, add a little bit more of a feminine touch. You can play around with some earrings, some jewelry, and all that good stuff. But this is how I would style the cargos with this top. You can also like go just full on tomboy or like boyish and pair some sneakers, put your hair up in a bun. I think that would be such a vibe. With a red lip, I would totally wear that outfit as well too. Now moving on to the last one, we have this more like blushy mauve pant that I have on here that leans a little more like the pinkish side. So I paired these more pinkier and more neutral tops to be able to pair with them. So we have this beautiful blouse, which once again is something else that we can pair with our cargo pants to just dress it up, to make it more sexy, more chic. So I have this one, which has like pretty neutral tones to it, so I think it'll match very nicely with it. This with like some strappy black heels or even just pointed black heels, I think will look absolutely stunning for like a date night or anything like that. So we're finally into the last pair of cargo pants, and honestly, I'm just like, I just start pulling things on. I'm like, oh yeah, let's make as many outfits as we possibly can. But putting these on back to back is so time consuming and a whole workout. So I really do hope that you guys appreciate all of these outfits in one. But moving on to the last pair of jeans, we're now dressing up and pairing them with blouses. Blouses are such a fun new item that I have been incorporating into my closet, actually, to just play around with jeans. I am such a huge jeans girl, and now just even transitioning into cargo, just something more like comfortable and casual to be able to wear but still be able to dress up. Like I said, I have a lot of heels, so I want to start wearing them a lot more, but I don't want to be like too dressed up. So pants are always just a really good casual item to just kind of be able to break things apart. So in this outfit, I have the like blush mauve cargo pants that I mentioned earlier, and this really cute neutral black and like tan top, paired it with my chocolate bag. And then I have these on, which I actually just call the Cinderella shoes because they're so stinking cute. They're clear, and then they have like that little crystal bow detail in the front. Hair out, you can put your hair up, you can do whatever you want, a nice bold lip, and that is the look. I also wanted to show this combo, which I thought would look so pretty, and this one is just wearing a mock turtleneck long sleeve shirt that can also double up as a bodysuit. This one isn't necessarily a bodysuit, but you can pair bodysuit up with your cargo pants and just something more form-fitting, since the cargo pants are usually more on the looser end. So this is another top option that we can have. For the second to last outfit, we have a monochromatic moment kind of going on, so you can use a mock turtleneck or a turtleneck to be able to pair easily with your cargo pants. So here I have this really beautiful, just like pink, super casual, super easy to just be able to pair. Pairing it with that pink bag that I told you guys from earlier that I got from Target, and then just dressing up the look with the netted heels that I have here. These are such a staple piece in my wardrobe. I actually got these from Shein. I got quite a few of these heels from Shein. They are such good quality, surprisingly, for the price, and they just have such really beautiful staple items that I just absolutely love. These are obviously like the Bottega Veneta dupes, which clearly I am not gonna go and spend all that money on, so I'm just so happy that I'm able to get a dupe, and I really do wear these quite often. So I paired this up, and this is how I would wear. Similar to that one, I just wanted to show another option. This one is actually a sports top that I got from H&M, and I thought this color was absolutely stunning. So this one is more on the cropped end, and I thought it would pair so beautiful with this. So if you're a cropped type of girl that you love to wear crop tops, this would be such a good option while still covering the arms and pairing so well with this. And I think this is a great outfit for you to be able to do a pop of color heel, or if you're more of a neutral girl, you can just stick to the neutrals. So we have finally made it to the last outfit, and this is going to be with that cropped sports top that I mentioned to you guys from earlier as well. This beautiful purple color, which goes so well with the cargo pants. Pairing them with these like zebra printed heels, since once again I like to just incorporate some sort of print when I have some basics. Pairing it with my Coach bag, hair down, and this is such an easy and like comfortable outfit to be able to wear. You can always swap out the heels for some sneakers, but this is the final look on how I would style some of my cargo pants. Well guys, that concludes this video on how to style cargo pants. I hope that you got some sort of inspiration to just be able to dress up your cargo pants, dress them down, casual, formal, whatever you want. Remember to always just go by matching colors that work well together or are completely opposites for each other. So you can wear them with a monochromatic look, with a printed top, with a pop of color. There's so many different ways for you to be able to style your cargo pants. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you so much for being here, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.